Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come. In 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Oh, yeah. All you daggone miscreants. All of you. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Welcome. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Bang! Greatest daggone show in the daggone multiverse. And well, I guess that means we have a great one for you today. You're welcome in advance. All right, guys. All right. So look, let's check it out. We got a good show for you today. Oh, yeah. You know who we got? Man, it's been a while. But they're back. Chainlink to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink is back. And they're going to do DeFi on Avalanche with an Avalanche integration. Bang! We're going to check out some Chainlink Avalanche integration. All right. And then, so you know how we do here. We watch every ETF application until there's another one. Come on, big brains. All right. So there's another ETF application by Global X. They file for Bitcoin ETF. We'll read about that. You know how that goes anyway. You all know how that goes. But we just so you know who's applying and stuff, so we keep track, right? And then, holy, last night I talked about JP Morgan clients. See, crypto as an asset class. Well, fuck all that. You know what JP Morgan did today? They said, look, retail clients have bang access to crypto funds as of today. Daggone. Edwin, I love it. In the chat room, someone put this. Edwin's like, well, that escalated quickly. You're fucking right, it did. Daggone. So, retailers, all right, JP Morgan lovers, users, we'll talk about it when we get there. And then we're going to do the shout-outs and the daily summary as usual. Yeah, fucking. Holy. All right, let's just go how we go. Let's begin how we begin with a bang. And then we do a little bit of look. Bang. And then we do a little bit of refresh. All right, what do we got? Price of Bitcoin, $32,708. And when I left you yesterday, we're at $32,086. So we have gone up. What's this? $622. Bang! $620 up. All right, let's see what's going down. Top 10 of the day, folks. You know who they are. Oh, wait. Hold on. Daggone. You know who they are. Usual suspects. Look, top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, Cardano, XRP, USD Coin, Dogecoin, Polkadot, and Binance USD. Let's see what the market moves are. Yeah, usual song. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, look at Polkadot, 10% up. Look at you, Stellar. True. Single digits up, single digits down. Theta. Yes. All right, V-Chain, you just keep doing what you're doing. Just keep doing what you're doing there. Shh. Just keep doing what you're doing. Ave. All right, single digits up, single digits down. Hold on, let me get my juice. Let me get my daggone fuel. Look. Single digits up, single digits down. Look at you, Cosmos. Single digits up, single digits down. Compound. Tezos. All right, we got some double digits tonight. Got some double digits around these parts. Oh, look at this. Holy, that's that Axis or Axie. Is it called Axis or Axie? Axie Infinity from yesterday. Remember, it was like 13% up. So, whew, I don't know what those boys are doing over there, but keep it up. All right. Waves. All right. So let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it's on sale. It is on sale. Bang. Oh, okay. This is just a bunch of fucking stablecoin shit. All right. Top 10 losers. Thorchain. Oh, Thorchain. What happened with those guys? Did they get hacked again or something today? I think so. All right. Thorchain. Sorry. Top 10 losers. Thorchain, Quant, MDEX, Terra USD, Paxos Standard, Binance USD, Tether, USD Coin, Trust USD, and HUSD. All right, let's see who made money today. Well, these gains are probably solid as fuck. Bang! Yes, indeed. Look. Top 10 gainers. Axie Infinity, Telcoin, Stellar, SushiSwap, Waves, Compound, Cosmos, Theta, Polkadot, and Tezos. All right, let's look at the total market volume. Market cap. All right. All right. Very nice indeed. All right, total market cap is $1.350 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $1.307 trillion. So we've gone up $0.043 trillion. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. Really? What? All right, well, the numbers are the numbers, folks. I mean, we just had this big blast off, and you're telling me the volume went down. So, all right, well, I'll tell you right now. Today's volume is $65.9 billion. When I left you yesterday, we were at 80.6. So we went way down in volume, but way up in price. Meaning those who came here, they came to buy for reals. All right, so that's how it goes. So we're at 65.9 today. We were at 80.6 yesterday. So we have gone down $15 billion. All right. Well, that's what the numbers say. So that's what they say. That's what they be. All right. Let's get to the stories. Bang. Chainlink integration looks to catalyze DeFi development on Avalanche. So this is interesting. More than 255 projects building on Avalanche are waiting for price feeds. Are you fucking kidding me? That means there's all these guys out there. It's like, yo, man, we need price feeds. And that's why, look. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain. There's no data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down, you're looking sad and blue. Cheer up, son. Come on. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. They're literally rescuing 255 projects on Avalanche. Bang! Now that's a rescue op like a motherfucker. That is a rescue operation. All right, so that's the rescue op there. Help us, Chainlink. Help us, please. That's what you got to do. When you need those daggone price feeds, there's nowhere to turn. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. That's why we sing the song. Look at them. Look at them. They are waiting for price feeds, literally waiting to be rescued. What the fuck did you build that thing for if you didn't have a price feed for it yet? I don't know. It seems like a little weird, doesn't it? Well, that's how life goes sometimes, so let's check it out, guys. Sometimes you get so excited about what you're building, you forget something. You know what I mean? Oh, you build some big DeFi thing, and you're like, yeah. And then at the very end, everyone's like, all right, let's start this up. They're like, wait a minute. We don't have any price feeds. Dang it, we don't have any price feeds. It's like opening a hamburger store and you forgot the buns. Yeesh. All right, guys. I'm being silly. Let's check it out. But seriously. All right, man. Let's just move on. Avalanche, a faster, cheaper alternative to Ethereum, has incorporated data feeds from Chainlink, the market-leading blockchain oracle. Yes, indeed it is. Smart contracts with external data piped in, such as price feeds, are powering a growing decentralized finance economy of lending apps, decentralized exchanges, and price-sensitive derivatives markets. These types of decentralized applications, DApps, are being built on the high-throughput Avalanche platform that went live in September 2020. Avalanche is similar in some ways to other base layer blockchains like Solana and Binance Smart Chain, but with a novel consensus system and better compatibility with Ethereum-based smart contracts. Adding Chainlink data feeds to the mix will kickstart a DeFi ecosystem on Avalanche, said Ava Labs president John Wu. So, there are over 255 projects building on the Avalanche ecosystem, many of them in integration mode, waiting for functionality such as oracles from Chainlink. Wu told CoinDesk in an interview. Some large stablecoins are also shortly down the pike. So this is why we're so excited. Yay! Historically, DeFi and blockchain oracles emerged at about the same time, said Chainlink co-founder. Look, Sergey Nazarov. That's not a coincidence, Nazarov told CoinDesk in an interview. The dynamic around DeFi is that you really can't build it without external fucking data. You see what I'm saying? These morons, they were like, yeah, DeFi. Oh, where are we going to get data from? Lucky for them. Chainlink came to the rescue. Right? That's what he says, right? The dynamic around DeFi is that you really can't build it without external data. In other words, let's look at this from the investor standpoint. You need Chainlink. Oh, yeah, Chainlink is a vital component. Well, or any oracle, I guess. I mean, anyone can provide the data feed, but I mean, Chainlink is the number one doing it, right? And so, and once you're using their data, well, you can't stop, right? You can't, well, I guess you could change providers. Well, whatever, you know what I'm saying, guys, is that, that's the key. These morons are DeFi. Well, where are we going to get the data? So DeFi is what we call a hybrid smart contract in the sense that it combines on-chain code and off-chain systems. The Chainlink network is really a connection of many services that provide very specific data inputs, said Nazarov. Where price data informs DeFi, random number generation enables gaming, weather data opens up other use cases, and so on. All right, you need real live data from the real world onto your blockchain. Off-chain data on-chain. So the industry was about this one smart contract for tokens. Then it moved to tokens plus voting. And then the tokens and voting using external data, Nazarov said, adding, so tokens are like the unencrypted email of our industry. They are the beginning. Now we're opening the entire universe of what you can build. Bags, there you go, Chainlink hodlers. There's another one. It's been a while. It's been like a month and a half, 2 months almost, since we sang the Chainlink anthem around these parts. That's what we're going to call it, the Chainlink anthem. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. You know, like if you had a country and you called it Chainlinkistan, that'd be the national anthem, right? Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain, no data feeds on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down, you're looking sad and blue. Don't worry, son. Settle down. It's called Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Yeah, that'd be the national anthem, right? Like we'd have people, like on our national holiday, like with lighters in the air, like Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Daggone right. Everyone would have Chainlink. Every citizen. Hell right. Daggone right. When you're born, you'd be born with a Chainlink wallet. I don't know, with a free 1,000 Chainlink in there. You know what I'm saying? That's how it'd go down if I was the dictator. So look, Chainlink hodlers. And I know there's a lot of you on this channel. Yes. Bang! Good job. All right, let's move on. Fund manager. Oh, okay. Fund management firm Global X files with SEC for a Bitcoin ETF. So you all know how these fucking things go. Right, so I'm not gonna get to too much yap. Obviously, it's just a filing. And you know what we're waiting for. Come on, big brains. Come on. You know what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the man. Come on, big brains. If you're new here, that would be Gary Gensler. He's the commissioner of the SEC here in America. That's the Security and Exchange Commission. Gotta remember, not everyone watches this show every day. All right. So you know how these things go, so let's just hurry up and let's just whip this motherfucker out real quick. But you know how we do around here. We keep track of every single application, every single ruling, until we finally get one. We're going to do that until we finally get one. We're going to beat this dog to death until they give us one. We ain't leaving. We ain't fucking leaving. You're going to give us one. All right, guys. So look, settle down. Let's get to work. New York headquartered fund manager Global X Digital Assets has filed an application for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund with the United States Security and Exchange Commission. Filed on Wednesday, the application indicates that the proposed Global X Bitcoin Trust, a Delaware statutory trust formed in mid-July of this year, would, if approved, yes, this is the key words here, if approved, fuck, big brains, if approved, trade on the CBOE BZX exchange. The Bank of New York Mellon would serve as the trust's administrator. As per the filing, the trust's investment objective is to reflect the performance of the price of Bitcoin less the expenses of the trust's operations. The trust will not seek to reflect the performance of any benchmark or index. Okay. So investors in the fund or their authorized financial agents would receive Bitcoin from the trust through an unnamed Bitcoin custodian. While unnamed, GlobalX indicates that the custodian is a limited-purpose trust company authorized by the New York State Department of Financial Services. Those are our buddies at the NYDFS. Remember those guys? To provide digital asset custody service. The filing stipulates that the trust itself will not purchase or, barring a liquidation or extraordinary circumstances described herein, sell Bitcoin directly. All right. So GlobalX Digital Assets, the trust sponsor, is affiliated with GlobalX Management Company, also known as GlobalX, and Mirai Asset Global Investments. The latter, based in Seoul, South Korea, manages assets worldwide whose value exceeds $560 billion as of March 2021. Oh, daggone, almost $500 billion. Yes. So look, earlier this week, Greg King, CEO of Osprey Funds, argued that the high number of Bitcoin ETF applications in the U.S. earlier this year contributed to Bitcoin's extraordinary 2021 bull run. The SEC's persistent reluctance to approve a crypto ETF, alongside hawkish regulatory remarks in the U.S. regarding various crypto assets like stablecoins, has, for King, played a role in the coin's subsequent price downturn. King has suggested that 2022 would be the earliest the U.S. regulator would approve a Bitcoin ETF application. Bang, all right, whatever, I'll fuck that guy. We'll see. Big brains, let's go. But bang, so here's another one. So you guys know how these things go in. So, it's a basic ETF, but this one's a little funny. They're not going to use any benchmarks or indexes. I don't know where they're getting their price discovery from then. Now we're talking about the guts of it, and now I'm getting geeky with you about it, but you want to know where the price discovery is coming from. In other words, where you're going to price that Bitcoin from. So they said that the trust will not seek to reflect the price of a benchmark or index. So I'm not sure where they're going to get the price discovery. And what else did they say? That they said that they will not be, unless they're liquidated or something, they will not be selling Bitcoin directly. In other words, if the thing fails, I guess what they're saying, if they have to liquidate, then they'll pay people in Bitcoin, but they won't be doing that directly. And so, anyways, blah, 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 whatever, man. So another ETF application. You know how it goes, guys. You know what we're waiting for. So there's no need to beat this dead horse. Let's move on. You all know how it goes. Just a quick update for the brothers. Bang! And sisters. Look. Yes, ladies. Sisters too. Oh, and so here we go now. Bang! JP Morgan will reportedly give retail wealth clients access to crypto funds. So daggone. I read to you yesterday. What did I read to you yesterday? Right? JP Morgan was like, our clients see it as an asset class. Wow. And today they just decided, fuck it. Let's just give them the chicken. They're just serving up the chicken right now. And so, and not just to their rich clients. Like yesterday's story was about we were talking about, big money. Yesterday's story. Oh, yesterday's show was good. Right? That was the Mega Bank edition. What? Mega Bank. Fuck, that was a 2-hour show. That was mega long. because it was mega banks, mega money. Holy, that was a good one yesterday. And, I mean, they're always are. I mean, obviously, this is the greatest show in the multiverse, so they're all great. But yesterday's was exceptional, I must say. Yesterday's was exceptional. But anyways, so here it is. JP Morgan will reportedly will give retail wealth clients access to crypto funds. It was funny today in the chat room, someone posted this, and Edwin, of course, Edwin has to say something. Edwin's like, well, that escalated quickly, didn't it? You know what I mean? Fuck. You daggone right, Edwin. That escalated super quick. I mean, we were just talking about the rich folk coming. Now they're just going to unleash fucking retailers? Tag, yeah. You see what I'm saying? You want to be first. But there is a little secret to this thing. There is a secret to this story. There is a little twist to this story, okay? So, and I guess what I want to say, I should say, don't expect JP Morgan to be advertising this to soccer mom and dad. But it is for soccer mom and dad. What do you mean? Why wouldn't they advertise it to them? You'll see. You'll see. Oh, actually, it says right here. Fuck it. Let's read the byline. Advisors at the banking giant. So read the byline, the bottom, right down here. Advisors at the banking giant are reportedly only allowed to execute crypto trades at the direct request of a client, rather than recommending the products themselves. So, this is the weird little thing about this, is that JP Morgan is not going to tell their retail clients that they're allowed to buy these funds. They are not going to be recommending them to any of their clients. The client has to ask directly, make a direct request to buy them. See what I'm saying? So you have to know that they're there and then request, hi, I would like to buy into these crypto funds. But no JP Morgan employee is ever going to say to you, hi, Mr. Soccer Dad, we've got this great new product for you. It's a Bitcoin blah, blah, blah fund or something. They're not allowed to, well, I don't know if they're not allowed, but JP Morgan is not going to be advertising them. You have to know that they're there. That's what's a little weird, right? I mean, if you're going to offer to retailers, why don't you just tell soccer mom and dad they're there and make all that money? But that's the little weird little thing about this. The client has to make a direct request from the bank. The bank is not going to tell them, right? It says right here, right? They are not going to be recommending the products themselves, which is a little odd. It's like, I don't know, you know. I don't know, any company, and I'm not telling you what my products are, you know. I come out with a new phone, and but I'm not telling anybody. You got to ask for it. You know? It's pretty weird. All right, so let's check it out. But the point is though, but those that do know will buy, right? Obviously. But just weird, like, why aren't you telling people you have this thing? So, major U investment bank JP Morgan Chase is reportedly allowing advisors to execute crypto trades for more of its clients. According to a Thursday report from Business Insider, retail wealth clients at JP Morgan now have access to cryptocurrency funds. You now have access. They now have access. A person directly familiar with the bank's move to the digital space said all JP Morgan clients seeking investment advice, including those managed by financial advisors, retail investors using its trading app, and client services by the bank would have the opportunity to invest in crypto. Bang! They can now invest in crypto through JP Morgan. JP Morgan clients now reportedly have access to the Grayscale investment, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. Yo, that Grayscale shit is huge, huh? You notice how many companies we've been reading that are investing in that thing? Like big financial institutions? Yeah, so I don't know. I thought that Grayscale thing was a little odd, but then they kept buying so much Bitcoin. I was like, fuck, they must have something planned. Well, yeah, they do. Everyone's using them. JP Morgan, that's what you're going to be able to buy. You're going to have access to the Grayscale investment, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, their Bitcoin Cash Trust, their Ethereum Trust, and Ethereum Classic Trust, as well as Osprey's fund over-the-counter Bitcoin Trust, Osprey Bitcoin Trust. Investors may request advisors execute crypto trades, but the bank's advisors may not be allowed to recommend crypto investments. Bang! See, that's weird, right? You're offering a product, it's there, but you're not allowing your advisors to tell the customer, hey, check out what we got. Right? It's like they have to know. It's kind of like, when you were a kid, you go to a rave and then you go to an after party. You got to know where it is, right? But no one's going to tell you. You got to, be in the know. So this is like some exclusive club for the kids. You got to know it's there. And if you ask for it, oh, yeah, we'll sell you all the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Trust you want. But if you don't know, then no, party's over. You're not allowed, right? That's weird, right? That's strange. The move follows a report that a large number of JP Morgan clients sees cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, as an asset class, which is what we talked about yesterday during the Mega Bank edition of Crypto Blockchain News. Oh, yeah, that was a Mega Bank edition. Fuck, that was a good show. I like that one. All right. So the company's director of asset and wealth management, Mary Callahan Erdos, said the time that the bank would allow clients to put their money where they want to invest, purportedly including crypto. Oh, that was the lady who said yesterday that we read where she was like, look, we're gonna let them put their money where they want. We don't agree with it, but look, if they want it, we'll give it to them. So JP Morgan has had a complicated relationship. That's one way to say it. JP Morgan has had a complicated relationship with crypto since its creation. In 2017, CEO Jamie Dimon referred to Bitcoin as a fraud. I think he said a few more words than that, but no. However, recent reports have suggested that the company is allowing its clients more exposure to the space and is adopting blockchain solutions. In March, the bank said it had designed a new debt instrument that provides investors direct exposure to a basket of crypto-focused companies, including business intelligence firm MicroStrategy. In addition, the company recently posted that it would be hiring for positions focusing on blockchain technology, including software developers, engineers, marketers, and auditors. After dipping below, all right, so bang, bang, bang. So there it is. Bang! So there it is, JP Morgan. Like, there it fucking is. Like, yesterday we read, they were saying, yeah, our big money clients look at it as an asset class. Yeah, and today they just unleashed the retailers. But in a weird way, right? They're not going to advertise it to them. But if you know it's there, all right, come get it, right? I don't know. What is that? I've never heard of something like that. But that's how it goes. That's how it's going down. And, well, that's just fucking how it is. And so, bang. I mean, so I guess I'm happy about it because, okay, now retailers get to come and they get to come and buy through a regulated environment, a nice, safe environment. Soccer mom and dad are safe. But I just find it odd that, well, why aren't you telling them about it? You know, like, you're selling it to them. Why aren't you telling them? I mean, get what I'm saying? I mean, it's just never heard of something like that, right? And so anyways, though, but that's how it is. All right, that's how it is. All right, let's move on. Bang! We got Grunchable. Lever of the Zebra, the bang! What are you talking about? CB News. Reminder, check your P.O. box. I will, brother. I will. For sure this weekend. At some point, I'll remember that, man. Fuck. Honestly, I just forget that I even have that thing, right? Because it's like one of those email addresses you had from 10 years ago, you know? You forget about it, you know? And then you're like, hey, I have that email. Let me check if anyone, you know. All right, don't worry. I'm going to check it out. Grunchable. Lever of the Zebra, the bang! Whoa. Ugh, like a bug went on me. And I'll do that tomorrow. Well, I don't know about tomorrow, but by this weekend for sure. Bang! All right, then we got Sunny B, Spy Lady, Levy Lady, See You Lady, the Assassin, Levy Lady, bang! Banks, brother, what's up, brother? Look, Lever with the Zebra, the bang! They got DP Entertainment. Look. Soul, brother. Give you a long soul. Larry Brother, see you, brother. Bang. Got a little extra soul on that one there. A little extra spicy chicken on that soul. All right. JP Viso for the Pascuyaki tribe. Larry Brother, see you, brother. Tool Master. V-Chain Master. Hold the killer. Look. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bang. Daggone right. Here we go. That dropper. Look. Son of a bitch. Hook. Bang. Hook. Bang. Hook. Bang. Got you wrong, cash. Son of a... Look. With the crazy bus driver videos. Honestly, guys, did you see that bus driver video? And if you didn't, the video, I noticed when I watched the video that I made for you guys, I watched it back and I noticed you can't hear the sound. So actually, I tweeted that video for you guys. And so come to the Twitter channel and watch the video raw. Because you can actually hear the people screaming and stuff, okay? I know on the show last night you really couldn't hear it. Come to the Twitter channel and watch. And watch the video. It's fucking hilarious, okay? All right, so airdropper. Lover of the sea, brother. No savior. Bang. Bang. Yeah, that video. That shit right there is too much. What do we got? Oh, you know what Kong's got us. Little piggy wiggy. Look, Kong. Wow. Lover of the sea, brother. Bang. What's Kong talk about? You know how we do around these parts. Look. Daggone right. Chainlink DeFi on Avalanche. Boom. Global effects applies for a Bitcoin ETF. Boom. JP Morgan. Retail investors now, though. Daggone. That is a boom. And look, stick around here. Investment quality product. Your portfolio is going to look like boom. Yes, indeed. It's going to look like a big old boom. Bye. There, brother. All right, we got here. What do we got here? MG. All right, lever with the brother. Bang. Technically bullets with the laser eyes. Lever with the brother. Bang. Shivani. NFTs created for the betterment of humanity. She, her. Well, all right, Shivani. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. She, her. Yes. I suppose that means something. Maybe I'm not hip. Maybe I'm not woke enough. I don't know what that means. I ain't woke like that. Benjamin, connecting the dots. Larry with the sea, brother. Bang. I'm woke in markets, though, motherfucker. Bang. That's how I roll. Look. Andrew Macheda, the enforcer. Look. Pay attention, fuck sticks. Buy, hodl, because look, the juice is worth the squeeze. Larry with the sea, brother. Bang. John. Founder, artist, 061 creator. The cryptos. Let's create amazing NFTs and projects. All right. Let's see with a bag. Universal Misanthrope holding down the insurgency in Central Europe and a Central European loyalist. Look. Let's see brother. Bang. Radster. Again, you changed it? What are you now? This guy keeps changing his picture. Looks like some sort of chicken with sunglasses. What the fuck? Well, anyways, don't let that fool you. He's holding down the insurgency in Eastern Europe for us. In Prague. Love of the sea, brother. Bang. Don't be fooled by that. He's a bad man. Don't let that chicken fool you. He's holding down the insurgency. Come on, Radster. You're embarrassing the insurgency here. Chicken. Daggone. Look. Fuck, you're making us look bad. Imagine that was like some jihadist thing. Right? Imagine a jihadi having a logo like that. You can't have an insurgency with a fucking chicken. What kind of insurgency is that? No one's going to be afraid of us. Come on, brother. You got to clean that up. You got to clean that up. All right. Oh, there's Robbie. He's been with us since 1492. Yeah, you notice the years keep getting later and later. Last night, I think I said 18-something. Oh, now it's like 1492. Daggone Robbie, he's been here so long, it's in black and white, his picture. Oh, yeah, I bet you didn't know there was a Twitter back then. Oh, yeah, back when the founding fathers. Yeah, how do you think we got the Constitution? They tweeted that shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Robbie was right there with them. All right, Robbie, don't worry, man. We'll get you a camera soon. We'll, bring you into the modern era. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yeah, he was right there when they founded that. He sent the tweet for them. Look, that's how it really went down. All that bullshit about a constitution, signing it in Philadelphia. Fuck all that. Robbie was tweeting it for them. Look, Wei Shintang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Hannah Suzette, single and available. Fuck, girl, you just putting yourself out like that? No, you got to get it how you can get it, I guess, girl. Wow. Good girl. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Look, guys, anyone's looking for a girl. Fuck. Hannah Suzette Mendoza. She is single, yeah, and available. Fuck, just right out there like that. All right, interesting. Because as a girl, I wouldn't want to do that. I mean, with all these perverts out here on the internet, like, right? I don't know, I'm not a girl, but I would assume I wouldn't want to, get motherfuckers thinking stuff. Anyways, Edwin Koval. Bang! Oh, this is Edwin right here. Yeah. So the JP Morgan story came in the chat room today, and he was like, this story about JP Morgan, the retail clients, or getting crypto funds. He was like, wow, that escalated quickly. Fucking right, Edwin. Fucking right it did, didn't it? Daggone, brother. I mean, not that we're crying about it, are we? Love you, brother. See you, brother. The original. Bang. He's like, yeah, that escalated quickly. Fuck. It's true. Oh, and this is what I just talked about. CB News, yes. Fund management firm Global X files for SEC Bitcoin ETF. So, you know what we got to do. We just got to wait and wait. There's Shavana again. She says the show is cool. Bang. And I guess that's everybody. No Lorna? No All In? Lorna. Miguel J started the Twitter just to follow me. Love her with the C with the bang. All right, let's get to the Death Star. Bang. All right. Welcome back. So we had a great show for you today. Oh, nice and quick, too. This is a quick one. Fuck, yeah. Good. Chainlink DeFi on Avalanche integration. So, wow. Would you like to sing along with me? It's Chainlink to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain, no data on it, and it's such a pain. You look at sad and blue. Settle down, son. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. So it's another rescue op for Chainlink. Well, it wasn't just one rescue op, though. I mean, it wasn't just, would they say like 200 and something fucking DeFi things are waiting for the price data? The fuck you nerds doing? You didn't think about that before you built your fucking thing? All right? Like I said, like starting a hamburger joint, a hamburger store, restaurant, and you forget the buns, you forget the pickles, like what the ketchup. The fuck? Right. Like you have a French fry store and no ketchup. The fuck is that? The fuck is that? Yeah, we love your French fries. You don't got no ketchup on that. Ew. I'm not just going to eat fried potatoes. Ew. So, look, Chainlink comes to the rescue once again. And, that's what you call working product. That's what you call revenue generating product. And like I said, like Chainlink, what's especially good about Chainlink is that, they depend on Chainlink, right? Like these DeFi guys, yeah, well, I mean, they can go get their price feeds from other oracles, sure. But, once you've signed on, you're kind of locked in, right? You can't tell people like, well, we're going to be out of service for a week while we change oracles or something, right? Like that, right? It's kind of like you're locked in. And that's the beauty of Chainlink is that, especially if you're a Chainlink hodler, hundreds of these DeFi things depend on the Chainlink price feeds, right? So Chainlink is almost sort of like almost like DeFi infrastructure. If you want to look at it that way, you need price feeds, and they are the price feed Moss does. You know what I mean? And so, let's put it this way. If Chainlink were to go down, think about all the DeFi shit that would go down, right? Like if the Chainlink, if the price feeds just stopped running or something, right? Anyways, so, well, that's amazing for Chainlink hodlers. And, well, finally these fucking DeFi nerds on Avalanche get some price feeds. So there you go, guys. You've learned your lesson. Chainlink to the rescue. All right, guys. So Chainlink hodlers, bye. How do you build something you don't have the price feeds yet? Anyways. All right, then Global X files for Bitcoin ETF. So the usual, the usual. I mean, we talk about them here. We've been talking about them here since the beginning of this channel. You all know how they work, how they go. Basket of assets, exchange traded. Why do we care so much? Because soccer mom and dad are going to get them right on their E-Trade account with one little button press. Americans and people, they buy ETFs all the time on their Charles Schwab accounts, on their E-Trade account. So it's standard procedure. And, like I said, they don't have to cut and paste. They don't have to fucking upload pictures of their driver's licenses and everything. Just one little button. Just press one little button. All right. And so that's why we want an ETF so bad. Well, obviously, because also once you get the first one, well, then the rest will get to fall behind, right? It's that first one that has to break through the dam, has to break through the, has to break through. And so, so, all right. So there it is, another ETF. So we'll keep our eyes on it. We do around here. We keep our eyes on all the ETFs. Well, and the ETF applications with the SEC. All right. Bye. And then finally, JP Morgan is offering retailers access to crypto funds. Like, what the fuck? It's pretty amazing. Yesterday, they were like, yeah, some of our clients looking at an asset class. That was their mega rich clients. And then today they're like, oh, well, fuck it. Let's just sell it to the retailers. And so that's amazing because it does bring more retailers into the market. And obviously a retailer who banks with JP Morgan is a different type of retailer. I mean, this isn't someone working at McDonald's. You bank at JP Morgan, you're probably a professional, doctor, lawyer, something like this. And so that's good. But what was strange about that whole thing is that they're not going to tell them that they're allowed to buy this stuff, right? They're not going to allow their what do you call them? Their representatives, I guess you call them, to sort of advertise it, right? They're not going to allow them to shill it. They're not going to allow them to, propose it. If you ask for it, hey guys, I heard you guys got a Bitcoin trust. Let me get in, right? They'll be like, oh yeah, come on in. We'll hook you up. But if you don't know, then he's not going to tell you. Well, sorry, not he. I was thinking like a drug dealer, like if you know the drug dealer, you ask him, yo, you got that weed? But if you don't know he's a drug dealer, he's not going to walk up to you and be like, hey, you need some weed, right? You got to ask the drug dealer for the drugs. He doesn't give you the drugs. And that's what JP Morgan's acting like. They're acting like a drug dealer who well, you got to know that I have the shit or else I'm not telling you, right? I don't know who you are. Maybe you're an undercover, like that kind of something. So I find that very odd, but, well, I guess it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing, right? But it's fucking weird. Like, why wouldn't you advertise a product you're offering? I mean, that goes against all sensibilities of, capitalism. I have a product. I want everyone to know I have it, right? I mean, that's capitalism. I got this product. I want everyone to take it. I want everyone to know. I want to try to attract everyone I can, right? Like I said, these guys are acting like some drug dealer in the corner. It's like, you got to know he's got the weed or else, he's not going to tell you. So anyways, just weird, but awesome. Awesome. I mean, let's get real. Also, I don't know. It's just such a strange thing. I'm trying to think of something to say, how to get my mind around that, but anyways, that's how it is. And so what's there to get your mind around, Shomari? That's how it is. Settle down. So I guess we'll just settle down, and that's that then. All right, so that's that. That's how they're going to do it. Fuck, I wish they would just advertise it. What the fuck's your problem, assholes? Like, I want soccer mom and dad to know they're there. I want them to know. I want them in this space, daggone, right? And so, a little odd. All right, so I'm not going to, let's stop now. So, but great retail access to crypto funds from JP Morgan. Bang! All right, let's move out of here, man, because that is a little weird. Let's chill it and kill it. Bang! Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang! Who builds a product and then doesn't tell anyone they have it? That's like if I'm Apple, I have a new iPhone XG5, but I don't tell anybody. It's weird. All right, guys. Anyways, let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Gosh. In the multiverse. Bang! My name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home, and I'll see you for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk tomorrow. So until then, watch that video there. Oh, sorry. Subscribe there. Watch that video there. Greatest in the multiverse, and I will see you tomorrow. So, my name is Shomari Clarke. This has been a blast. Good luck. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Accumulate. My name's Shomari Clarke, always on duty. Bang! Always watching our money. Bang! And always on duty. Bang! Over and out.